अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं MBA?
ठीक।
ठीक है। आज फिर दिस बिग गेम, पाकिस्तान इंडिया T20 World Cup, 15 February, and we are like 4 hours away, I guess. Yeah. So so much is happening in cricket, on pitch and off pitch. So how do we distribute today's video?
आई थिंक ऑन पिच मैं करूंगा, ऑफ पिच आप बात करें क्योंकि आपका ज्यादा रिसर्च है ऑफ पिच वाले एरिया में।
Okay. But there is when you go off pitch, everything is politicized.
बस थोड़ा सा होला रख के बात करें क्योंकि आप पे 55C अप्लाई होता है।
I don't know. I heard कि वो बच्चों पे भी होती है. So don't get too cheeky with me, all right? Okay, let's see. You understand. और पॉलिटिक्स पे वैसे भी बात करने का फायदा नहीं है। पाकिस्तान में पॉलिटिक्स तो है ही नहीं। एक इल्यूजन है, लोग समझते हैं कि पॉलिटिक्स है। It's a one way thing, one way traffic, or one way everything. Everything is one way. So no politics. So no worries. So we'll not talk about politics. However, going into the World Cup, matlab hai, would it not be appropriate to start with our cricket captain who has some developed health issues in the jail? And I think if we put everything aside, again, minus politics out of it, because I'm not, when I'm convinced that there is no politics in Pakistan and people who are chasing this dream of change are chasing basically an illusion. So, उस तरह से political process से change तो नहीं आनी. But end of the day, he's a human being. He has some contribution, and today we are talking about cricket, so keep it strictly cricket. He's the champion captain. He won us the World Cup. और जो चीज ज्यादा हाईलाइट नहीं होती वो ये है कि एज अ कैप्टन ही वन अस द फर्स्ट एवर सीरीज with India in India. Oh, amazing. And then obviously brought in the neutral umpires thing. और philanthropy भी की है. So we wish him well, and we also hope and pray that hearts are soften a little on him, and we move on to that. Back off the pitch before this game, obviously there was a controversy developed when Pakistan said कि जी हम इंडिया में नहीं खेलेंगे अगर आप बांग्लादेश को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे. तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ cricketing brinkmanship, should I say, कि we want to win this battle without firing a bullet, and actually it happened. So kudos to those who planned. End of the day, देखो ना, and how can politics be, by the way, divorced from our cricket? अब वहां पे देखें तो जयशंकर होम मिनिस्टर हैं, उनके बेटे जय शाह हैं, वो आईसीसी के सेक्रेटरी से, बीसीसीआई की सेक्रेटरी से आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट चेयरमैन बने बैठे हैं. और इधर हमारे जो चेयरमैन पीसीबी हैं वो भी उन्हीं तरह के उसी तरह के जय शाह के इक्विवेलेंट, जयशंकर के इक्विवेलेंट हमारे होम मिनिस्टर भी हैं और चेयरमैन पीसीबी भी हैं. तो पॉलिटिक्स इज इंटरट्वाइंड, एंड व्हाई नॉट? क्रिकेट हैज एन इम्पैक्ट, एंड इट हैज एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन पीपल्स एस्पिरेशंस, देयर पैट्रियटिज्म, वो जो जलवला है, वो जो अटैचमेंट है. आज हम भी क्रिकेट पे बात कर रहे हैं. आई हैव बीन वाचिंग क्रिकेट ऑल माय लाइफ, सो आई कैन नॉट स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पॉलिटिक्स. तो I think, and I always 10 days back, I gave this note, and some patriot said, no, this time we are not moving our position. We are actually. We did all right. We got Bangladesh what they deserve actually, and the stance was principled. And cricket has won because bully ko once you have to push back. बस bully का इतना ही होता है. एक दफा push back हो जाए तो फिर वो bullying खत्म हो जाती है या कम पड़ जाती है, या maybe they come up with a new tricks in the trade. Anyway, cricket won. Today the match is taking place, and also the spectators, the people who had booked seats, flights, hotels, everything, and so much revenue was at stake. मतलब कहाँ पे बाकी गेमें 20 मिलियन के करीब रेवेन्यू जनरेट करती हैं और ये गेम को 250 USD के बराबर की रेवेन्यू जनरेट करता है. वो रेवेन्यू इवेंचुअली जो छोटी टीम्स हैं, जो मिनोज हैं या लोअर लेवल की हैं, उनमें अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. सो उनका राइट भी बच गया, cricket भी बच गई. So I think all in all it was brilliant tactics to bring India to cut him to size, because they have been Not only उन्होंने अपनी hegemony create कर ली cricket के ऊपर, they started bullying others. So at the same time, watch out for weather. There is a prediction of rain
Yes.
coming straight to cricket. Now I hand
think
you over the
forgot
mic.
one point.
Hmm.
That in 2024 World Cup, Pakistan versus India, the Indian players refused to shake our hands.
Oh yes, again something off the pitch. Something
Yes.
off the pitch. I should be my thing. Let me take it on. I think इन चीजों का सारा build-up था ना, which culminated into Pakistan's pushback.
Yes.
हाथ नहीं मिलाना, चेयरमैन पीसीबी से ट्रॉफी नहीं लेनी, हर चीज में मोनोपोली, हर चीज में हेजेमनी, जो दिल आया करते जाएं, तो it's not. So Pakistan really took a good stand. Let's get back to the team analysis. By the way, what is your prediction for the match?
I believe it will be us. I will give a percentage probability, you can say. I think it's 35 to 65%.
Okay.
65% India, 35% Pakistan.
All right. That's quite hopeful. I think mine is still. Mine was also 30-70. Okay, let's analyze the team and then review our predictions.
The openers for both opening for us is Sahafzada Farhan and Saim Ayub, and
Okay.
opening for India is dependent on the match, but mostly Abhishek Sharma and Ishan Kishan, their wicket keeper.
Okay.
I think for Abhishek and Ishan Kishan take the edge over Saim Ayub and Farhan.
Oh, when we compare them as, but
Ishan Kishan has that explosiveness as a
oh
player.
yes, oh yes, I totally agree.
And Abhishek is a world-class player. He can hit any bowler, any length, any time.
Okay, can't agree more. And he's a nuisance, by the way, for Pakistan.
Yes.
Asia Cup के अंदर he stood out.
Yes.
But at the same time, Pakistan की side से Sahafzada also performed really well in Asia Cup.
Yeah,
Although
but I
he
still
lost
believe Abhishek gets the edge.
All right. Okay, opening department, India again, takes away the thing. आगे चलें.
Batting all-rounders, if we come, is like for India, it's Hardik and Tilak Verma. Tilak Verma, for those people who don't know, Tilak Verma is a off-spin bowler. Part off-spin bowler, mostly batting.
All right.
And Hardik Singh,
I still not put him in a all-rounder category, but
batting all-rounder.
all right, batting all-rounder, but rarely balls. I
Rarely
don't think
balls.
on this scale के match में उसे ball मिलेगी. By the way,
Maybe मिल
when
भी
they
जाए.
have so good spinners in the ranks, which we'll talk later.
Maybe
Okay.
मिल भी जाए.
Okay.
And
Your
suggest
analysis.
yeah, and for us we have Saim Ayub and Salman Ali Agha.
Okay.
I
Batting
think,
all-rounders.
yes, I think Saim Ayub is a very good bowler. I think in bowling he takes the edge over Tilak and Hardik both.
Okay.
He's very good with the ball, but he's like maybe he gets 2 overs max in a match.
But I like his variations.
Yes.
The change
The
of
carom ball, the
length.
leg
Yeah,
spin.
the kind of variety he has.
Yes.
I don't know why he's not opening, why he's not getting all 4 overs.
Yes.
And he is the man to watch if they give him the ball. Okay.
Yes. And I think Salman has improved his game.
Oh, has he?
Yes.
Yeah, I know you always dub him as the best captain in the world.
Nah.
Okay. I think there is one change in Salman. He stopped eating chewing
Chewing gum.
gums. 6,786 chewing gum that he took in the last tournament. He did not this time. Against Australia, he's played well. Let's acknowledge what is
Yes.
good. So if he carries on that form, and I think yes, but still not number 3. Number 3 is supposed to be the best batsman in the side.
Yeah, he doesn't deserve number 3, but he puts himself at the number 3 because he's the captain. But
Okay, I can't agree more. Yeah.
I think he levels with Hardik at a point.
Okay.
His bowling is better than Hardik. Hardik is a good bowler, but it comes to the pitch. The pitches are very hitting pitches. And fast
batting
bowlers
pitches,
get
obviously very flat batting pitches. This
Yes.
is how India's
fast
IPL.
bowlers get hit.
Hmm.
And in this pitch and this match, I would say Salman and Hardik have the same impact.
Okay. But Salman rarely bowls, by the way.
Yes,
Now he is totally focused on his batting. Let's move on to the next.
I think Salman is a more reliable batsman compared to Hardik.
Okay. let's move on to the next set of players.
You can say bowling all-rounders. They aren't bowling all-rounders, I guess, but they're all-rounders, you can say. Akshar Patel, Shivam Dubey from India, and Fahim Ashraf and not Fahim Ashraf, Nawaz and Shadab.
ठीक है.
I think Shadab is getting back at his game.
Yeah. Recently, he bowled really well against Australia. Played well, batted well, and good thing I've seen in this World Cup, he's putting the ball on the right length.
And he's batting good also. Like in the match against USA, he got 30 runs off 17 balls. He's doing a job that the finishing all-rounder should do.
Yeah, I know. I agree.
And that's why I think he gets the edge over Shivam Dubey and Akshar Patel.
Okay.
Maybe Akshar Patel, that's a little overstatement, I guess. Shivam Dubey, I think he takes edge over, but Akshar Patel is also a very good player.
Okay, let's move on to the bowlers.
The bowlers, we have Usman, Tariq and Abrar. They have a lot of bowlers. They have Arshdeep and Kuldeep and Bumrah and Varun. I think, and we have Shaheen, Usman, Tariq, Abrar and Fahim to a point.
Okay.
I think we can compare Shaheen and Bumrah, but not.
But there is no comparison.
There is no comparison. Bumrah is world class.
I believe Shaheen is a liability. He is playing for his brand name, which he has become over the time. वो आगे बॉल करता है शुरू में और उसे मार पड़ती है, लेंथ कंट्रोल में नहीं है, his yokers are not coming in, ठीक है. और उसके कंपैरिजन में वो जो हमारा मिर्जा है वो स्लो बॉल कर रहा है. इस टूर्नामेंट का पैटर्न ये है कि स्लो बॉलर्स जो हैं वो मिडिल इनिंग्स में आके और इवन शुरू में भी कराएं तो स्कोर कंट्रोल करते हैं. और हमारा पैटर्न भी आप देखें, शुरू में और एंड में हमारे ये जो अजीम फास्ट बॉलर हैं ये आते हैं और ये मार खाते हैं. तो मेरा तो इसमें सजेशन ये भी होगा, मतलब आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, बट यू नो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स व्हेन यू आर लूजिंग अगेंस्ट इंडिया ऑन अ स्ट्रीक, ठीक है, कि आप अफरीदी को बिठाएं और मिर्जा को खिलाएं और हो सके तो उसको भी मत खिलाएं, 5 के 5 स्पिनर्स के साथ उतरें. बिकॉज आप देखिए, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट देता हूँ. पिछली गेम में इंडिया ने 6.5 ओवर्स में 100 किया और 13.1 ओवर्स में उन्होंने 16.1 ओवर्स में 6.5 में किया तो 13.1 ओवर में उन्होंने 110 स्कोर किया और उसमें उनकी 9 विकेटें गई क्योंकि
स्पिनर्स आ गए,
यूएस के स्पिनर्स आ गए थे.
अब मेरा व्यू ये है ना कि शहीन का एक पैच चल रहा है जिसमें वो आउट ऑफ फॉर्म है. जस्ट लाइक क्या कहते हैं, साइम isn't performing, isn't delivering in the World Cup at the big stage. Fine, Shaheen is like delivered for every tournament in the past.
So you're sticking with the cliche that the form is temporary but the class is permanent. Yes. All right, like let's say, what else? What about, you did not talk about the king Babar?
Yeah, Babar and I don't think this comparison is valid, but it comes up. Babar and Surya.
Okay.
Because they both are full batsmen. They both come down at the same position, 2 down, at least in the last matches. And I think Babar King has fallen off.
I know. देखो last two matches, बाकी 3 matches.
He's played good.
He was and 18 balls यानी 3 ओवर खेल के उसने 15 रन बनाए. उसके बाद उसने पिक किया. But do we have this luxury in every game के एक world class batsman है? So he's out of touch. He's lost his thing.
But he has played well in the last match against USA.
Still, he had 15 runs on 18 balls. This is where he picked up and hit one bowler and his average came up. Obviously, this is how the T20 cricket is. But do we have this luxury in against every side, in every game, in every situation that he consumes 18 balls for 15 runs?
No.
Why don't we give chance to this Nafe?
Yeah, I think Nafe deserves a chance.
Put some fresh blood.
But I think
देखो problem ये है कि innovation खत्म हो गई है. He does not innovate. He just plays. He's hands down. He's one of the best batsmen. But I think not on even test, not in ODIs, one days ODI. He's a run-a-ball player and a very elegant, smart batsman. Lacks innovation. King Babar lacks innovation.
Agreed.
That is the problem.
Yes.
All right. What else?
Wicket keepers, I didn't want to do this one.
I know you love Usman.
Usman Khan and Ishan Kishan.
Okay, no comparison.
No
Well,
comparison.
let's give that. Let's keep it there. So all in all, I think yeah, with comparison we come to this point. Anyone left there with you?
I think there is no one left except we didn't clearly compare the bowlers.
Okay.
Varun and Abrar. I did this comparison last year also. Last year there wasn't a chance with Varun and Abrar. Now they both are like Varun is first bowler in the world
Number
and
one
Abrar
rank.
is second.
Yeah, he's 1 and 2 in the world.
Yes,
ranking.
they both are one
Okay.
and two in the world, and
Okay.
they're both deserved. But I think Varun takes the edge, but Abrar is a very good bowler also.
Okay.
In the last year when we did the comparison with the Champions Trophy, I thought Abrar wasn't even close to Varun.
All right, he was not even figuring out in the comparison thing. Okay,
Yes,
fair enough.
but now I think he's picked up his game and he
All
can
right,
play very good for the Pakistan side.
all right.
And we have Usman Tariq
Okay.
and Kuldeep Yadav.
Okay, yeah, Usman is being discussed a lot. He's the talk of the town. What do you have to say about? First compare them and then off the pitch I'll tell you a couple of things.
Okay, Usman Tariq and I think Usman Tariq is a very annoying bowler
Okay.
for the batsman.
No, just to talk about his cricketing thing, noise part I'll cover.
Okay, okay. I think he is pretty good, very effective, gets in the mind of the batsman, and he has a good economy. He has good wickets. Kuldeep is also a very good way. Like he's the most effective spinner in the wickets part for India, but his economy is very bad. He
Okay.
gets hit a lot.
All right. Yes, he does. Okay. One thing is technical about Usman Tariq. I think that when he pauses, he takes away the initiative from the batsman, so they cannot preempt. Batsman, अगर आपने यूएस की गेम में भी देखा है तो बैट्समैन वाज गोइंग आउट एंड ही उसने बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट उसकी लेग स्टंप पे यॉर्कर फेंक के उसे बोल्ड कर दिया, ठीक है. तो प्रीएम्प्शन नहीं कर सकते आप, ज्यादा इनोवेशन नहीं कर सकते, निकल के नहीं खेल सकते बिकॉज ही इज वाचिंग यू टिल द लास्ट सेकंड. Whatever Indians are exaggerating it to 5-6 second pause. I think it is a second and a half or something, but still. And it is playing on their minds. कि कल मैंने देखा कि वो स्काई ने जो है ना अपने प्लेयर्स को
उस्मान तारिक की तरह बॉल फेंक के
stop spinners की तरह उनसे प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं. So I mean he's created
He's
an
scared.
impact off the pitch. On the pitch needs to be seen today. But as a batsman, I tell you, it is very annoying. That pause that takes away a lot from the batsman facing a spinner.
One is left.
Okay.
Fahim Ashraf and Arshdeep.
Okay.
Whereas we evaluate as a full player,
Okay.
Fahim and
Arshdeep.
Arshdeep are equal.
Okay.
Because Fahim can bat
Okay.
and Arshdeep cannot bat.
Okay.
He can bat to an extent,
Hmm.
like stop, maybe 1-4.
Okay.
But Fahim is like a proper batsman. He can hit, he
All
can
right.
play, he can win the game.
Okay.
But in the
would you rate him a batting all rounder or bowling all rounder?
I have said all of that, but I think he's still a bowling one.
Bowling all rounder. Okay.
He can bat, but
Okay.
Arshdeep can't. But Arshdeep is a better bowler.
Okay.
Fahim is also very effective. When he first used to play, he was not very good. I think.
So all in all, in batting and bowling department, who has the edge? Now let's come to general terms.
General, it really depends. But
Okay.
I think India has slight edge. It isn't like okay, India is destroying us in both departments. I think batting department we are destroyed.
Okay.
But in bowling department, India has the slighter edge,
Okay.
which gives us the chance of the 35%.
All right. That's why I think I put it at 30-70. Our recent form, 5
Yes.
games in a trot
Yes.
under your belt in Australian series and 2 games in the World Cup.
Yes.
That gives you enough confidence because we had this tradition of losing to a minnow right at the outset of any
Yes.
major event. So that is out of the way. The team is gelling up. Some players are coming of age. Salman Ali Agha.
Yes.
Usman has played well. I know it's you would not accept it.
I was
But
not accept.
He's coming of age.
I think he's
Shadab is performing well. There is enough batting depth, enough all-rounders for Pakistan to have some amount of hope that they can create some impact. End of the day, it's a 120 balls, 40 overs game, 3.5 hours. Who performs well on the day? Minnows are defeating
I
the
will
major sides.
take you on
Alright.
the point of Usman Khan.
All right, all right.
I think he has improved, but he still has a clear weakness: bouncers and short balls. He can't play them.
हाँ, ये वीकनेस तो सब ज्यादा फरहान में भी है.
साहबजादा फरहान में भी है, लेकिन साहबजादा
He
फरहान
cannot
अपनी
play short
वीकनेस
ball.
पे इम्प्रूव कर रहा है.
All right.
पहले मतलब तो वो बिल्कुल ही मतलब डक कर देता था ना. अब
Alright,
ट्राई करता है. उस्मान isn't even trying on the weakness.
So let's call it off with the note that obviously our heart still beats with Pakistan.
Yes.
We would love to see them win,
Yes.
and but odds and on purely cricketing terms, you are 35-65. I am 30-70. That's it. But still, we wish Pakistan all the best. Thank you very much.